Right, let's jump straight into it. Today, we're unpacking a really crucial yet, let's be honest, often totally overlooked part of property management. In this explainer, we're going to explore a professional, organized solution that literally keeps the heart of a building beating. Specifically, we're looking at expert boiler installation services. Now, are you currently searching for a boiler installation in Haringey? Because if you are, you know exactly the kind of massive stress we're talking about today. You need a reliable solution, and you kind of need it right now, right? Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1, when your boiler fails. It really comes down to this simple equation. An unreliable boiler equals a property that just is not running properly. Think about it. It's the absolute core foundation of a building's infrastructure. If your boiler is acting up, the entire property simply ceases to function. It brings all those fundamental, everyday operations to a grinding, frustrating halt. And it's a devastating double blow, isn't it? First off, you've got heating problems, which instantly strip away your comfort. I mean, a freezing property is an unbearable one. But then, on top of that, you have hot water problems, which completely disrupt daily life. You can't wash up, you can't clean effectively. Boom, the absolute basics of modern living are just gone in an instant. Which brings us to Section 2, the true cost of repairs. The ripple effect here is huge. Absolutely no one is immune to this issue. You've got landlords dealing with panicked, late-night phone calls. You have tenants literally freezing in their living rooms. Homeowners are facing massive, unexpected disruptions. And property managers, well, they're scrambling, trying to find a quick fix. Basically, everyone's life gets turned upside down when the system goes down. And, it really doesn't matter what kind of building you're in. A dependable boiler matters across the board for flats, houses, rental homes, and HMOs. Regardless of your specific property type, having a dependable heating and water system is just an absolute, unavoidable necessity. Like we said, it really is the lifeblood of the building. So here is the golden rule. Do not keep spending money on repeated repairs. It's such a massive financial drain. Honestly, the sheer annoyance of relying on temporary fixes is just exhausting. You patch it up, right, and then it breaks down again, and you're right back to square one, bleeding money and, frankly, losing your patience the entire time. Let's look at how we actually fix this in Section 3, the Haringey boiler solution. And here is the answer. Landlord Property Certificates. They provide a truly professional and, most importantly, organized approach to boiler installation. When you're managing a property, you don't need quick fixes, you need a definitive solution to safely and properly arrange your installation in Haringey. You need structure, not guesswork. Making this one specific choice, choosing boiler installation in Haringey with Landlord Property Certificates, actually stops that whole cycle of frustration dead in its tracks. It takes the burden completely off your shoulders and ensures your property is running perfectly again. It restores that essential comfort, and it gets the normal flow of daily life back on track. So it's time to book now and secure a dependable installation. I want to leave you with this final thought to really chew on. Are you going to continue wasting your hard-earned money and time on endless, stressful, temporary repairs? Or will you book a dependable solution today and finally get your property running exactly as it should?